Hello everyone, how are you today? In this video, we're building a mid-range PC setup. First, we start with the motherboard, which connects all the components together. Place it carefully on top of its box to protect it while working. Next, we take the processor, the brain of the computer. Today we're using the Ryzen 5 5600. Hold it only by the edges, and be careful not to touch the bottom pins. Align the triangle on the CPU with the triangle on the socket. Gently place it in and secure it. Now it's time for storage. Remove the drive from its packaging. Of course, you can choose any brand you prefer. It doesn't have to be the same one used here. Next comes the CPU cooler. Make sure you don't lose any of the small screws. Install the cooler, tighten it properly. And connect the fan cable. Now for the RAM, one of the easiest components to install. Insert the module and press gently from both sides until it clicks into place. Repeat the same steps for the second stick. Next, install the case fans to ensure proper airflow. After that, we install the power supply. And secure it in its position. And finally, the star of every build, the graphics card. And this is the final result, a clean, powerful, and truly beautiful build.